Hi guys, so today I am going to review this beautiful collection by Blue Heaven. So I have done a full face first impression. Also I have done the wear test with all the makeup like throughout the day how this will last, and it is a must buy collection. So I'm going to go in depth. I'm going to show you how my skin is looking in natural sunlight also, and after the whole day how it is looking. It just looks like skin, and that's why it is, I think, the best makeup launches of by any Indian beauty brand. So I think this is a must buy. Go grab it, but stay tuned for all the in-depth review how this makeup performs on my skin, and yeah, like how I feel about the whole collection you will come to know, and the application, the wear test, everything will be there. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Let's get started. So I have just applied a little bit of plum face mist and a little bit of moisturizer. Now I have to be a little careful because it is like almost summer. Okay, so yeah, it's the beginning of summer and I have to be really careful. The weather is really dry right now, it's really humid, so I have to be careful that I don't look like a grease ball, and there has to be a skin prep change that I have to do right now. So yeah, just a little bit of face mist and a moisturizer. I think it's good to go for skin prep, and I will not use a stroke cream because we are about to test this, and if I have to test a skin tint, I think it's best if I will use it just like that, and it will be more useful for you guys if I will test it out without stroke cream. And let's just do it. So I'm going to take this, and I think this will be a good match. This is a lighter shade, and yeah, going to just take a little bit as usual. Wow, what a perfect match. It is perfect, and with the sponge I can see the coverage is very less, and I like it. I like it. I will not build it up. And with brush, you will get a little bit of more coverage, but it is a skin tint, so it will be like this only. So this makeup is for people who want something for an everyday basis. It's not a party makeup or not a glam makeup. But to be honest, you guys, even bridal makeup this day, I'm like, it's looking very natural. So yeah, it's a shift in beauty industry in general that light makeup is the trend now, not the full coverage beat. Okay, so yeah, so this is the skin tint, and I'm quite happy with the coverage. It's, of course, very light coverage. With Beauty Blender, this is the coverage I'm getting. So you can see my skin peeping through. It's not a full coverage beat, so that what it should supposed to be do. That is what I am expecting from skin tint. So yeah, this is the coverage, and the concealer is yet to arrive. It's in shipment and it is in transit, but I was like, I want to review everything which I got, so I think I will use a different concealer. Decided that I will use the Mars concealer, and I will take a little less because we are going for a natural look. Okay, so this is how my base is looking with a little bit of concealer, and yeah, this is a skin tint, and I have not used that concealer. We'll do a full face of Blue Heaven again. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to just, now I will not set my face. Maybe I should set my under eyes. I should do that. So I'm going to just, so I have only used the powder where I have the concealer, and now what I should do. Okay, so let's just try. Oh, yeah, we have the bronzer, contour, whatever. So yeah, let me just try this brow gel, and this is a try on, thingy. So I'm just trying it out. So this is the brow gel, and let me just try this. Okay. Why I'm not in love with you. So this is the first time I am using a yeah, I have used the elf one, or which one? I have to check. I have to check. So this is just the brow gel, and I think gray is a little too stark or something. Something is, I'm like, ayo, I'm not in love with it. So yeah, this is just me trying this collection. I have to obviously learn how to use it, and I will let it dry. Let's just see. First impression, I'm not in love, and I have used which brow gel? Are that $1 brow gel? I'm not remembering the name. From a very big brand. Okay, oh my god, let's just leave it. Okay, so this is not the first time I'm using a brow gel, and maybe because of the shade I'm not in love with. Let's just see. So now let's just move on to bronzer, and yeah, this will be a natural kind of bronzer on me. Let's just see. Wow, It is giving me a very natural contour bronzer, to be honest. It's a bronzer and it just glides like butter. Oh my god. So yeah, this is the very natural bronzer. I'm in love. I love it. So now I'm going to test out, of course, the blush, then the highlighter. So this is the bronzer. It is a very natural bronzer. So now I'm going to test out this blush. Wow, look at the shade. And I am drooling over the shade. It's so cute. So this is the roasted berry. It's a very pretty, very kind of shade. Really true to its name, I must say. So I'm going to just, wow, just blend it perfectly with my skin. And wow, look at the, oh my god, so pretty. This is the blush and it is so juicy. Look at my skin. It is a natural glow. I have not used the stroke cream. This is the glow from the blush. I'm so impressed. I'm in love. So now I'm going to just pop in some highlighter. To be honest, with this blush, I'm glowing so much and I don't even need stroke cream. So yeah, this is the highlighter. I'm going to take it a little less because I'm so, my skin is so dewy right now and it's summer now, so I have to be little careful that in summers also I will use dewy products, but I will not, you know, drench myself in dewy product. So this is the highlighter. I'm taking it very less carefully, and this is the highlighter. Wow, amazing, amazing. The glow, the glow, the glow. I'm so shook by this collection. So this is the glow with highlighter. So let me just swatch it. This is the highlighter and wow, it is looking very pretty on my skin. Very natural highlighter. And I have used a little less because I'm glowing already. But I think this, if you are around my skin tone, this highlighter will be apt for you. Again, I bought the fair one. This was for fair to medium. So this is my skin with blush and bronzer and highlighter. I am in love. It's looking so natural. So now I'm going to just try the lipstick and lip stain, not lipstick. So I'm going to try the lip products. To be honest with you guys, because of the weather, my lips are like Sahara Desert dry. I'm going to first apply the lip balm. And they have the new lip balm, but I was like, let's just use my old lip balm before buying the new one. And yeah, so this is the brow gel. I'm getting confused. So this is the lip stain. Let me just try it. So this is the lip stain. I have no lip liner, nothing, just the lip balm, and this is the lip stain. Wow, it is so good. This is something which I can grab on everyday basis if I want to just apply a little bit of something on my lips. I love it. So this is the lip tint on my lips. So I don't know if I will use this lip stain on the cheeks and eyes or something, but as a lip stain I can. Okay, so now I'm going to try the lip gloss also, and yeah, this is the packaging. It is so cute. So this is the lip gloss, and I have the lip stain, and on top of it I have the lip gloss. Wow, wow, this is the lip gloss, you guys. This is the shade Mauve Tint. It's so pretty. So I don't think this collection have anything to do with eyes, although you can use your lip stain as your eyeshadows and whatnot. I'm not going to do that, and I'm going to just, so I think I will just use this Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow, maybe some mascara, and I will be back. So yeah, this is how my face look, and it is looking so good. So this is all my makeup looking, and I have done this eyeshadow video. So yeah, it was a short video, and yeah, and I have shot couple of short videos, and this is how my skin is looking, we can say, after 1.5 hours of this application. So yeah, let me just, so I'm going to just insert you know, shots with natural light, because makeup looks very different in natural light and studio light. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do like wear test also, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I have some thoughts about all of them. I'm going to shoot some more videos, and I will give you a wear test at the end of this whole day, when I will be about to, you know, remove my makeup after all day shooting. I will definitely like in depth talk about all the makeup, so I might not be this fresh. So I shall see you after the whole day. So maybe in the evening. Let's just see. Hi guys, so this is me and this is how my skin is looking. And sorry, when I was eating, the gloss was gone, okay, and that's why I have a different lipstick. So gloss, I'm not expecting gloss to stay, to even stay, okay, so I'm not complaining about that. So I have a lipstick now and I filmed so many of the videos now, and I'm wrapping this day in general. I'm so tired now. So you can see my skin in studio light. So to be honest, I have touched up the blush, to be honest with you guys. As I told you, I don't set my face, so I just applied the blush once again and it was fading away, I'm not going to lie. And yeah, the glow from the highlight I can see it's not faded away. The bronzer is still there, and you guys know I always apply powder product on top of cream cheek product, but today I was testing it and that's why I was, you know, not touching anything. I have applied just the cream cheek products, not the powder cheek products. I have not topped them with powder cheek products, and this is how my skin is looking, so radiant. And so this is how my skin is looking in natural lights. And to be honest, I'm so impressed. The skin tint is like my something which I will apply if I would, you know, go out and about. Even for some small events, I will apply such skin tints because I love light coverage foundation, which, you know, I can see my acne scars, I can see my skin. I don't like that full shebang coverage. I will like it for wedding, if, you know, my cousin is getting married or somebody close in my family is getting married, but otherwise I will apply this even for event. So for me, this foundation is this skin tint. So this skin tint is a must buy, and without any stove cream I can see the luminosity and the shade match is pretty dang good. So if you are around my skin tone, if you are fair with a yellow complexion undertones, you can try this shade, and I will leave everything here, so don't you guys worry about that. And then I tried this bronzer and highlighter. Perfect if you are around my skin tone, try the light one, okay. So this was fair light, try this one. The highlighter is also looking natural, it's not looking artificial, and the bronzer is also a very natural bronzer, so not bad. I'm really impressed. Good longevity wise, also very good. And then the cheek blush, so this blush is very dewy, you guys, it's very dewy and it will fade away if you will not top cream a powder blush, but I don't mind it, it's very good. I will buy definitely more shades if this collection will survive, okay. So this is the roasted berry shade. I'm so impressed, I'm so impressed. The quality, it looks like a high-end makeup quality wise. I'm so impressed. Even the packaging is very pretty, not going to lie, I like the packaging. And then brow gel, I don't know. Something is very off-putting. Maybe the shade gray is not going with my brows, I don't know, my brows are looking gray, okay. So I think I will first use a powder products, then maybe something like brow powder, and then I will apply this. I will try that today. Since I was testing this out, I have just this brow gel, and yeah, I'm still not able to remember that brow gel name which I have. This sucks, but that looked really natural on me. This is giving me, maybe it's because of the gray shade, okay. So I should have gone for the brown shade, but I was like, okay. So that's the brow gel. So this brow gel, I don't know if it's my cup of tea or not. I will see, I will let you guys know about this with different products, okay. The lip stain and lip gloss, wow, wow, this lip stain is something I can use for an everyday basis. And yeah, I will definitely pick more shades, maybe the pink one, because pink really suits me, it looks look good on me. So I will buy the pink one. This is the Brick Beauty, it's a peachy nude, we can say. Yeah, it's a very pretty peachy nude, we can say. It's a very pretty skin. So this is the lip and cheek tint, you know, lip tint, a very big thumbs up again, love it. And then we have the gloss. This gloss also is a very pretty mauve gloss. It has the little bit color and a very good juicy effect, and yeah, I love this gloss also. I like it. Again, a very big thumbs up to all the products, and even the concealer which arrived late to the party. Yeah, very pretty concealer with a little bit of coverage. So if you are someone like me who don't have that much dark circle, I think this much concealer is good. So this is again the lightest shade, and I love the packaging. It's like clickable, it's cute, okay. So concealer I will maybe try again. Rest, yeah, the face mist I was expecting now at least to arrive. It is the evening time and still I have just received one parcel which contain this concealer pan, and I like the concealer. If you ask me, it's very light in coverage, so good for everyday purpose. So yeah, it's very good. So on and all, I'm in love. I'm so impressed, like how many times I will say. And you will see this makeup in my favorites, of course. Yearly favorites, of course, yes. I'm not talking about monthly favorite, I'm talking about yearly favorite. This is that collection, this is that collection which will be in my monthly yearly favorite. This is the best launch so far in terms of makeup in general by any Indian brands. I'm talking about Indian brands. I think this is the best collection. I'm trying makeup since teenage, and this is the best makeup that has launched by Indian brands. I'm so excited, and gone were those days when I used to stay far away from Blue Heaven because of the quality and the smell in makeup. Nothing is bad smelling, also everything is good, or either don't have any smell. I really appreciate if the makeup is fragrance free. Either have chocolate vanilla fragrance or don't have fragrance. I'm so pleasantly surprised by the collection. It's a must buy. Go grab it if you can, because it's flying away. It's sailing like hotcakes, because this is the best makeup launched by any Indian brands, to be honest, you guys. So yeah, I can rave about it all day, but I will recommend you in future videos. You will definitely see this collection recommended by me again and again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I know this was a long one, but what to do. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.